sounds attached to me.
Hi, it's Jasmine off the Chloe and Jasmine show, and I'm going to do a video about myself, just because Chloe wanted to do it, so I'm just going to do it, because I'm bored. So, if you haven't noticed, me and Chloe are sisters, and, I don't really know what to say. I'm not normal. Like, I'm not like a prep or anything. Yeah, I'm an alien because I'm not anything. I'm Keep going, sister. Take two. Keep it. Okay. Take three. Can't handle that one. How do I stop it?